Okay, so we've got our ring box hinge. We want the outer diameter of the wood to be the same as the outer diameter as this. We're just going to go slightly more, and then we'll just tweak it a little bit. So I've got my calipers set. Let's see if I can get you a... So with the lathe going, I offer the calipers up and just press the left hand edge onto there, and when the ring lines up with both, see, I just caught it there, just the left hand, then I know it's central and I've got the right sized outer diameter. So now we'll just turn it round. Speed's 1200. I think with a little bit of sanding, I think that'd just about be right. That's very close. In fact, it will push on there, so that's good. Now, I'm going to hollow out in here. I'm going to part it off. It's not a good way to make the grain match, but because I've got this ring between, I'm not too concerned about that. So with that fitted on the end, to get the internal diameter, I just draw if I can get a Sharpie, I'll draw a circle around the inside of this ring. That'll give me a nice internal diameter to hollow out. Okay, I've got a 38mm Forstner bit in there. The hole's about 40mm, so we'll just finish it off, and I'll go down about the depth of the bit there. Going about 400 revs. Hole, that should make it nice and easy to finish off. So just try that on again. that's a nice fit inside. So what I want to do now is to part off the lid. Or we could finish the inside first. Let's sand the inside before we part it off. Put some abrasive paste on. As I say, I haven't used American walnut before, but this is a lovely colour. French polish. Hopefully you can see inside there. It's a lovely finish, and it's got a real shimmer to it. Right. What I want to do now, I want to part it off. I don't want to go any deeper than that. So I'll give it that, and then a little bit extra. And parting tool. Lot safer. So there we have the lid, but we'll turn this, hollow this out now, same as we did with this side. So again, we're fitting it to this. So we just turn the outside. Okay, we've got to be a little bit careful here. We haven't got a lot of timber left here. The piece that I got wasn't very thick to start with, so I think we'll only go partially down there. And if we need to go any deeper, we can turn it. So I'll just put a mark on there, so I don't go any further than that. I know I've got the little hole in the centre from the forcing a bit, but to to be honest, I don't mind that too much. With a couple of extra little detail rings, it just looks like you've added it there as a detail. So with that, I think we'll sand it up. What I want to do now is to take this off here, and then I'll make a little jam chuck to finish the tops. Well, a bit of luck, I might be able to use this without doing too much to it as a jam chuck. Matting. Just put that over. Just a nice fit that. Right, we'll be a little bit gentle with it. Get it a little bit high. I'll just turn that bottom up. Okay, I'll go through the grits again, sanding it down, and I'll come back when we're about to put the polish on it. Right, I've applied some abrasive paste, so I'm just going over it now with the French polish. Pop that off. Hopefully you can see that. Got a lovely polish on it. So I'll do the other one. It should be alright. So I'll do exactly the same thing with this and then get back to you. That's the bottom now, that's got a lovely shine on that one. Goes on there, that goes on there, and there it is. Okay, so while I was finishing it off, I found a little flaw on the edge. you can still see it vary slightly. But what I wanted to do, it wasn't a crack because it didn't go all the way through, but I didn't want to redo the top, so I thought I'd just embellish the edge to put a couple of rings around the edge just to take your eye off the mark, and I forgot to record it, so I've mounted a piece up here and I'll just show you how I put those two rings on. What this is, it's a piece of formica off a worktop, and because you can get a wire on there, but you can't get a wire there. But this is a really hard material, and with the speed of the lathe, it does burn a ring. So anyway, that's how I got the two rings around around the edge. Okay, so there we have it. A little ring box or a pill box. The kit, the metal part, is from Procraft here in the UK. And it's an inexpensive little kit, and it's got some nice detail on the ring on the inside and on the outside, and a little detail on the front. I'll put some photographs up at the end, and please subscribe, ring the little notification bell, and please leave me a comment. I will reply to all of them, and I do like to hear from you. So, from wet and windy Cornwall, my name's Andy Paramore. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.